consultant with around 2 decades of experience in all aspects of HR, learning and development, and administration. Mr. Ajay Balaji has a bachelor degree from University of Madras in BCom, PG Diploma in HRM, MBA Organizational Behavior from National Institute of Business Management, and a Strategic People Management Program degree from IIM Calcutta. He started his career as executive HR in 2002 and held various HR leadership positions in organizations such as Godrej Global Solutions Limited, InLogic Technologies Private Limited, Tricom Infotech Solution, USAM Technology Solutions Private Limited, and now he is a leadership development consultant at Triumph HR Consultancy Services, taking up roles in business development, leadership hiring, design and delivery of training modules, and executive coaching. His major areas of expertise are strategic human resource management, leadership hiring, OD, succession planning, and executive coaching. Mr. Ajay Balaji is very much dedicated to listening, empowering, caring, and coaching people at all levels. Also, he is a good people manager and has a good understanding of HR strategy. Mr. Ajay Balaji is a certified master behavior skill trainer, OD analyst, OD intervention professional, L&D professional, master trainer facilitator, NLP practitioner, and an emotional intelligence coach. He has created a vision to make a difference to 1 billion people around the world with leadership conversation. And we are glad to be one among them with him today. We welcome you, sir. Also, I would like to welcome Mr. Surendra, co-founder HR Techos, with more than 9 years of experience in all HR verticals, who will co-lead the session along with Mr. Ajay today. Now, I would like to introduce our head of the department, Human Resource Management, BG Vaishnav College, Dr. N.C. Martin. He is a highly experienced academician and has about 20 years of academic and administrative experience as HOD, professor, dean, and registrar. He did his postgraduate in labor management and PhD in labor laws from Tamil Nadu Institute of Labor Studies. He started his career as lecturer from the same institution. He held various positions in arts and science colleges, engineering and media colleges. He has held academic positions in various educational institutions such as Sri Chandra Prabhu Jain College as assistant professor and HOD of MSW department, SAMS College of Engineering and Technology as professor and HOD of MBA department. He was also the placement officer for the entire division of SAMS College of Engineering and Technology. During his tenure, he successfully placed engineering and management graduates in top-notch companies of manufacturing and service sector across the country. He continued his career in St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science as Dean of Academics and in LV Prasad Film School, one of the best film schools in Asia, working as registrar. He acted as a jury representing the Employer Federation of Southern India for the selection of companies for the best practices for the year 2018-19. He has added a number of research papers and publications to his credit, and he is expert in the subject of labor legislation and industrial relations. He has given centum results in various HR specialized subjects in the university examinations. We welcome you, sir. This meeting is recorded for educational purposes. In case of any doubts or questions, the participant can unmute themselves or type the question in the chat box. Now I request Dr. N.C. Martin to speak few words about the topic for the day. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Pavitra, for the introduction. Very happy, good evening to one and all present here. So, first of all, on behalf of management, our secretary, Sri Ashok Kumar Mudraji, and our principal, Captain Dr. Santosh Babu, I welcome all the participants, the professors, students, and HR fraternities. And most importantly, I'm very pleased to welcome our resource person for the day, Ajay Balaji Thulasingam. So, the leadership development, Triumph HR Consulting Services. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving consent to host a webinar for students.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, sir. It is my pleasure to be with you all and to generate this session. Thank you so much for that.
Okay, sir. Okay. And to start on a conceptual understanding on the leadership conversation. So, according to James Cashpenny, he's a very businessman and entrepreneur. So, founder of JC Penney retail chain of companies. So, according to him, so he is of the opinion that the art of effective listening is essential to clear communication. So, the clear communication is very, very important for any management success. So, why you have you have tons of questions about what is leadership communication and how it should go with. So, because you see the communication comprise the essence of influencing the team in order to accomplish the mission. That's very, very important. So the communication and leadership are very critical for all success, no doubt in that. So the strategic communication forms the very core of the leadership. Say like when you as a leader, so when you speak, negotiate, and network, you neither clarify or confuse or motivate or demoralize. Or even for that matter, you engage or even encourage employees. So great leaders always have one thing in common. So they are always a great communicators. In turn, so this will either give 100% of their loyalty, so they support, and they also accomplish the mission of the organization. So the organization, we can say, lost some of their best employees and grow less productive and profitable because, you know, the leaders who get promoted for their technical skills, say they do not have a strategic communication skills, which is necessary for the success. So they know how to convert their key awareness into ideas. So that speaks to one emotions and ambitions. So the leaders understand that if their messages does not take a deep understanding, it will likely to make a little difference in shaping the overall outcomes, and it is not possible to achieve the desired ends. In the recent past of globalization, the new technologies and changes in how companies create value and interact with the customers, so they have sharply reduced the efficacy of a purely directive that is a structure that is top-down model of leadership. Great leaders are always, we can say, they're often great communicators, as I said already. So the great communication doesn't start with the way of their presentation to attract the public. So the true leadership comes from the ability in order to communicate with a clarity. So the leaders communicate their vision with a clarity. Not only that, they will be a great listener. That is very, very important. So the clarity can only come from the collaboration, and whereas the innovation begins when you gather some new ideas. So leaders should learn to listen. So I here use the first step in any leadership journey. If you really listen, you earn the right to say, I stand with you. You communicate both verbally and non-verbally, which is a very important principle of leadership. And you're saying, I support you. I have a vision for you and for this organization. And I understand where you are so that I can help you to get where we all need to go. So the leadership, we can say, is a service that begins with the collaboration. So eyes and ears open to the possibilities, discovery, and also the innovation. So with this, I conclude, and I could say that the leader's contribution is the one that serves in the greatest capacity, seeing the opportunity and sharing the ideas in a way that gets other enrolled and engaged. So with this a short brief note, I conclude the session and give the rest to the resource person. So who is the right person to throw much light and give insights about the topic of leadership conversation. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, Martin sir. Like as you said, like in leadership communication or communication, the listening is the most critical part of it. Like we will be like seeing more about like listening today, like in leadership communication and listening. I also like prepared on the same actually. You given a sense of the listening and about the communication also. Thank you so much for that.
Yes,
okay. First of all, like before starting the session, I want to set some ground rules, like how this session will be. This session will be a kind of interactive session. Okay, it will not be a kind of a lecture where I speak and rest of you all are like listening and seeing. Okay, this will be a kind of interactive session, interactive session facilitating a kind of a coaching session. There will be a lot of questions, like we all together like come with answers and solutions, and then finally like you will see my perspective of leadership also. That also will be there. Like I am not saying like this is what is leadership. You will get a sense of some of the leadership aspects today. Is what I commit. Definitely you can train and develop in those areas of leadership aspects. Okay, thank you so much. Are you all excited to share and to answer the questions?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
Yes, sir, sure, sir, sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only 3 of you are excited, not everyone.
Yes, sir, we are obviously.
Obviously, okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Let us begin the session. I'll share my screen. Today's course content is who is a leader, what is leadership, how do leaders show up in the society or community, like in our eyes, like traits of leadership and practices.
So sorry to interrupt, sir. Your screen is not visible, sir.
That is presentation material.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now it's visible?
Not yet.
Yeah, what about now?
Not now, sir.
No, sir.
Only you are visible.
Just a minute. Yeah, is it visible now?
Not yet. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, the screen is visible now.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No,
okay,
sir,
thank
not
you.
yet.
Somebody said yes and somebody said no.
Sir, it's not yet visible, sir. Shall I share the screen, sir?
Yeah, you can share the screen, Pavitra.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Hope the presentation is visible to you all.
Yeah, it's visible now. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, Pavitra. Like,
No
yeah.
issues.
Today's course content is who is a leader, what is leadership, how do leaders show up to the community or like people, in the eyes of people. Traits of leadership and practices. This is the content for today. Yeah, Pavitra, can you go to the next slide? Next slide. Yeah, who is a leader? Can anyone share like who is a leader?
The person who leads the group or a team.
Who leads the group?
Or
Okay.
a team.
Who makes others as leaders?
Hello?
A leader is one who makes others also great.
Leader is a one who gives others also lead. Okay. Yeah, anybody else? Can you share like some of the leaders?
A leader is someone who has the command over all the other people in a group.
Leader is a person who has a command. Okay. You mean to say it is a kind of a position or a designation or something like that?
Yeah, someone who, to some extent, someone who can command over the other person. So
Yeah, who can command me?
maybe because of his position or because of his characteristics, something like that.
Characteristics or position or what? Okay. Oh, fantastic. Can you share like some of the like leaders in your life? Like some of you can share like leaders that you saw in your life.
A leader is a person who takes initiative, who comes first and what to say, he stands before everyone.
Yeah, he is a person stands before everyone and leading. Jagdish, what I asked is like share some more like some of the leader in your life from your life who you saw as a leader.
Warren Buffett.
Hello.
Warren Buffett, okay.
So,
Anybody
leaders,
else?
maybe can we take our parents as leaders, like they lead us into our life and
No, exactly.
maybe guide us?
You cracked it. Yeah, leaders like leadership quality or leader like everywhere if you see, like our parents, like father, mother, our teachers, and the co-students, like your colleagues, friends. Leadership is there with everyone. Everyone is leading in certain aspects of the life, not all the aspects. A leader is one in charge, the person who convinces others people to follow. A great leader inspires confidence in other people and moves them to action. A leader is the head of guy or gay, the one running the show. If you see, like in our daily life, like our father, mother, teachers, like everybody has certain leadership qualities. In certain aspects, I'll not say in all the aspects of life, like in certain aspects. Okay, everybody with you? With me?
Yes, sir.
If you have any kind of concerns or questions, you can ask me right away.
Sure.
Leadership is an essential quality for every human being. As a human being, we started to live individually in the initial, and then we formed the community and we started to live as a community. Like leadership born from that day onwards. Like, okay, Pavitra, you can go to the next slide. What is leadership? See, guys, like I am also like discovering like along with you only. It's not like something that I am teaching you or preaching you, or I am facilitating here, like discovering with you like various aspects of leadership. That is why the session name is called Leadership Conversation.
Yes, sir.
What is leadership?
So, can you hear me?
Yeah, your voice is audible.
So, it's a characteristics where work as a team and move towards the goals, like organization's goals, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Good from an organization perspective. Very good. Somebody else? So there is no right answer or wrong answer. Okay, like whatever that you have in your like thought and mind, no, you can share that.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, Amurda.
Yes, sir. Sir, leadership is the process of transforming into a leader, sir. The process is leadership, sir.
You mean to say like transforming from one state to another state is the leadership?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You mean to say from an individual to a leader is a transformation?
Not from individual to another, sir. The process of transforming, sir. Every person transforms in some way or the other, sir. So the transformation process is leadership in order, sir.
Okay. Transforming what?
Into a better way, sir.
Okay. In any aspects of life, like transforming a specific area or
yes,
some
sir.
aspects of life is leadership. That's great, Amurta.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Who else? Next. Around 66 people are here. Yeah.
So Bhagyalakshmi here. So maybe it is a process or it is a capacity of an individual to guide other people or a group of people.
Okay, it is a capacity or a ability kind of thing you say. Okay. Yeah, whatever you say, no, it is valid. Okay, and then like you will see the dictionary meaning of what it is, what is leadership. Okay, thank you so much. Leadership is both a research area and a practical skill encompassing the ability of an individual, group or organization to lead, influence, guide other individuals, teams or entire organization. The most important part in leadership is to lead and influence. This is what I take it as a like a key part. Like when you lead team, when you lead people, influence should be there. Like if influence is there, people will follow you automatically. Okay, what gives you that influence is what you will see in this session. Thank you. Pavitra, we can go to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Leadership as a way of being. Next. How do leaders show off on the court? How do you see them? Like for me, no, like it is like leaders are like they are very successful. That's what I see in my eyes. Like that is how leaders show off to me. How leaders occurs to you, or how leaders shows off to you. Can somebody share?
Like role models. Role models, sir.
Role models. Okay. Super. Fantastic. Great. Then?
So they are authoritative, sir.
They are authoritative.
Yes.
Okay.
So they take responsibility and have good communication skills.
Responsibility. Having and communication.
They'll be people friendly, sir.
They are people friendly.
They know the pulse of the group they are mingling with.
Okay.
Yeah,
so they have a perspective. They can see the perspective of different individuals, sir.
They can see the perspective of individuals. No, whatever you are saying is an aspect of leadership. Like, you mean to say like it is a traits of leadership. What I'm asking is how do leadership occurs to you? When you see some leader, no, like I see leaders, they are very, very successful and they are very inspirational.
So being initiative.
Ownership.
They facilitate, sir.
They facilitate. Super.
Being consistent.
Their management skills are good.
He identify the skills of the group.
Very skills of the
A
group.
leader is someone who is going to take both success and failure in the same respect, and he's going to lead the team towards success.
Team towards success. Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever you are
problem
saying is appropriate. That is, those things are the traits of leaders actually. Okay, super, fantastic. Great. Yeah, Pavitra, can we go to the next leaders? How like leaders occurs to us, no? Like in on the court, they are very inspirational, admiring, successful, brave, and courage, empowering and enabling. This is how like leaders occurs to us actually, so off to us. You see any leader, no, like for example, it may be your father or mother, like you will be like a inspirational and you will be admired by them, and you can see a lot of leaders, they are successful. You will see that their success and brave and courage and empowering and enabling. And whatever you said, no, that is also appropriate, but those things are traits of a leader. Okay. Thank you so much. Traits of a leader. What are the traits of leader?
Problem solving skills.
Problem solving skills. Okay.
Sir, he should be a great planner, sir.
Great planner. Very good. Fantastic.
Being calm under
Patience in decision making, sir. Patience while decision making.
Patience and decision making. Okay.
He should be ready to lead, like someone who is willing to do that.
Someone who is willing to lead upfront, no? Like.
Yeah.
Great. Okay.
So they should be empathetic.
They should be?
They should be empathetic, sir, towards other people.
Empathetic with people. Super, fantastic.
So they should be able to handle tough situations or unforeseeable situations.
Okay, great.
So they should express clear thoughts.
Expression of thoughts. Yeah, that's what like Martin sir said, no? Like communication, like expressing their thoughts clearly. What they stand for. Great. Fantastic.
Sir, he should be open-minded, sir.
Open-minded. Okay. You open-minded in the sense like willing to accept
others' points of view.
Others' point of view, taking ownership. Fantastic. Great.
So he should have a good control over emotions.
Okay. Can you brief a little bit more about this? Control over emotion in terms of?
While taking decisions, he should be stick on the correct decisions. He should not be fall on emotions.
Okay. Perfect. He should be like emotionally intelligent, right? Very good. Fantastic.
Someone who's going to believe in equality and without much of personal judgments and favors.
Okay. Very good. Fantastic. That's great. Okay.
So they must also have gratitude towards the working people or the things they do.
Okay. Gratitude. Super.
They acknowledge the efforts of their team, sir.
Acknowledging their efforts of their team and motivating them and empowering them, no?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, great.
Show no bias. Should be confident. It's
Meera?
They should be confident, like showing confidence towards the team and for the self.
Very good, fantastic. Okay. Anybody else?
So they should be in a position to learn, unlearn, and relearn.
They are open to learn. Right? Right? At any point of time. Right?
So they should be good communicators.
They could be good communicators or great communicators, communicating whatever that they want to communicate. Okay, fantastic, great.
Should be unbiased, sir.
Unbiased, okay.
So they should be more flexible over situations, more flexibility.
It should be more flexible. Okay.
More responsible, sir, for the actions.
More responsible. Okay.
Should have good subject knowledge regarding that area of particular work.
Okay, should have good subject knowledge in the aspect.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Anybody else? Okay, super, great. Whatever you say, no, everything is valid. Okay, and we will see some of the traits, like we cannot go over all the traits of the leadership. Okay, in this discussion, we will see some of the traits. Leaders is a visionary. Every leader has a vision. On the code, like they will have a vision. Like somebody can share like one of the vision of any of the leaders. Yes, no, maybe somebody can share or cannot share.
Sir, only when if he share his vision, then only he can achieve the.
Yeah, that is one thing. Now, can you give me some example, like a vision of a leader? Any of you know, like a vision of any of the leaders that you know?
So it will be goal-oriented and long run, sir. Futuristic.
Yeah, that is fine. But I'm asking an example of a vision. For example, vision of a Bill Gates, no, like Microsoft or vision.
Yeah, so Gandhi, he had a vision to get freedom for India.
Yeah, whose vision is that?
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
That is one of his vision.
Yes, sir.
That is great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside of that vision only, he has taken all the actions, no?
Yes, sir.
That is one. Anybody can see some other vision?
Yeah, sir, I don't know if I'm right, but for Mahatma Gandhi, Ahimsa was a vision. And for Narendra Modi, it's Swachh Bharat, something like that.
Yeah, exactly. You're correct. Like Mahatma Gandhi, like Ahimsa. Ahimsa in the sense like equality, like.
Yeah.
That is the vision of Mahatma Gandhi. But he had a vision. He declared that India shall be free. That is also one of his vision.
Yes, sir.
But Ahimsa is the most like every human being should be treated as equal.
Yeah. And for Narendra Modi ji, it's Swachh Bharat.
Swachh Bharat. Yeah, exactly. What about Abdul Kalam?
It was 2020.
2020. In most of the cases, no, in this vision, no, if you see like the people that those who created their visions, now Mahatma Gandhi or maybe Abdul Kalam or some of the great leaders, like they would have not achieved their vision actually.
Yes, sir.
You got it right. But still we see them as a great leaders. Like having that vision, and inside of that vision, whatever actions they take, no, like that is what is inspired us actually.
Very true, sir.
Abdul Kalam is an inspiring leader, you know that. Like his vision is 2020, like India becoming a superpower.
Yeah.
Till now, that has not happened in reality. But as Abdul Kalam is a great leader, we respect him, no?
Yes, sir.
Vision is not something to achieve a kind of goal or something like that. Vision is a place to stand from. If you see Mahatma Gandhi's vision, no, like everybody is having equality and Ahimsa. Across the world is his vision. But that may happen or that may not happen. That having that vision and living his life is what is more inspiring than achieving that. Everybody got a sense of some of the vision, like what is the vision?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You people have any idea like why we are having a conversation in vision?
Because it is very
Because
important.
it is one of the traits of leadership, sir.
One of the traits of leadership. And for you?
That we can have idea about a vision and create our own thoughts on what vision is.
No, my commitment is like it is not to have an idea about vision. I want each one of you to create a vision.
Yes, sir.
What is your vision in the aspect of HR? You people are passionate about HR, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You people you have to create a vision that touches, moves, and inspires you.
Yes, sir.
That may be anything. Like for example, like I created like my passion is to like be with people, train and develop. No, inside of that, like I get satisfaction actually for myself. So I created a vision. Like I don't know like which when I will achieve my vision or not, but I'll stand for that vision. That is most inspiring for me, and the journey is what gives me the pleasure and motivation, everything. In which area of HR and what aspects, like what is that you want to provide to people or the society or to the community? Everyone can create your vision. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We can create one.
Only one person can create out of 64.
We can. So.
Yes, I will work on it, sir.
Great. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, this will be some motivational talk. It will not be useful for you. Like on the code, if you are not taking action and creating like your life, like putting your life into this and you are taking action. No, otherwise this will be a kind of motivational class. Yeah, it is good for 1 hour and then it will go off. I don't want to lead some session, something like that. Like which will be like you. I want this session to be useful in entire your life. Everybody got my commitment?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. It's your vision only. You create like something which is inspires you, touches you, moves you, along with your passion.
Yes, sir. Can I tell, sir? So as a HR, I would want, I think I'll be a bridge between an organization and that employee. So I just do my best to motivate that employee and just give a win-win situation for both an organization and that individual, sir, individual employee.
That is what you will be doing, Raji, on the code.
Yeah.
Okay. Out of you are doing that, what is the benefit like people will get or the organization will get? You can create that.
Yes, sir. In that workspace, there will be a lot of stress and other stuff. So I think we can make a very lively environment or get in, give them that personal satisfaction to some extent, like in a personal level, like.
Can I give you some suggestions on whatever that you said?
Yes, sir, sure.
To create a lively work environment such that all the people are satisfied and fulfilled.
Yeah.
Is it appropriate?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Something like that.
Yeah. Then you work on that, and then like you see, like visions of leaders, companies, and then you can create your vision.
Yes, sir. Sure.
From there, you can choose like what aspect of HR you are going to work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. From there, how it will be beneficial to the organization, how it will be beneficial to the individual. You look at all the aspects and then create. Whatever you said is appropriate. It is in the initial stage of drafting and vision. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sure. Sir.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. Thank you for taking it on and creating on the code. No, great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else? Only Raji has courage to create a vision. Yes, no, maybe. Yeah, Pavitra, you can go to the next slide.
Yes, sir. I've taken the next point, sir.
Next. You can go to the next.
Okay, sir.
One of the traits of leadership is effective communication. Okay, when it comes to communication, like there are 3 aspects of communication. According to me, it is my version. Like it is my dimension. You can say like it is another dimension that you will see today. Okay, one is a direct communication. Direct communication consists of 2 things. One is listening, and another one is ability to convey or express what is intended to say or communicate. Okay, when I say like ability, when I say like listening, no, how many of you are thinking that we listen 100%? Yes, no, maybe.
Not everyone, sir, maybe. We try to respond first rather grasping.
Pavitra, one thing, no, like whenever we speak, no,
yes, sir.
We have to speak like I don't listen. Not everyone in the sense like we are telling everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am telling you, no, I don't listen 100%. All the places, everywhere.
Yes. Sure, sir.
Okay. Anybody else?
I always try to listen, but something or the other pops up sometimes.
What pops up?
Okay, if the conversation is not going to be something very interesting or to our expectations, then something else, like it's a normal human tendency, right? Something. So some other thought just gets up
and you get distracted.
Yes, sir.
Very good, fantastic. That is one of the good example. Okay. Anybody else? Okay. I'll share with you, like normally, no, like consider this may not fit into your logic. That's why I am telling you consider. Otherwise, I would have told you like normally and I would have started the conversation. This may not fit into your logic. So I am requesting you to consider. Normally, human beings does not listen 100%. It's not about you or me. Like it's about human being. Okay. How we listen is we go through judgment and evaluations. When somebody is saying no, we always judge and evaluate whether it is right or it is wrong. Okay, he is correct or it is not correct. Is appropriate or not appropriate. That running commentary, no, like always it goes on. Like if you see, no, in this session also, a lot of people will be having this. What is he saying? Why he is asking a lot of questions? When you start having conversations within yourself, no, that time you are not listening to the conversation that is happening right here. How many of you are getting this actually? Somebody will say like, what is saying? I don't understand. Also, you will say within yourself. That time you are not listening here actually.
Yes, sir.
Always this will be going on within ourselves actually. How many of you are getting this?
I'm getting this, sir. Maybe a little bit of self-doubt.
How? Okay, can you brief a little bit more, like what the conversation that you had?
I don't know, even now for that matter, if I have to tell something, I will ask myself, is this really appropriate? Is this really right? Or will there be a mocking session after this, like many other? So, yeah, sir.
But by that time, you're not listening, no, actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I'll try to listen, but still there are so many other thoughts.
Yeah, that is there. When you are present to that, no, like I have all these conversations, then you can listen actually.
Yes, I get it.
You got that right? When you're catching up that, yeah, I am indulging in my thoughts and conversation within myself. Okay, then there is an opportunity for you to listen to the conversation.
Yes, I totally get that.
Not only for you, like even myself also, like I also listen like that only in most of the places. And then I have a access actually to catch myself and to create like 100% listening, 100% listening.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is one aspect of listening. And another aspect of listening, no, whatever we listen, no, even though like if we are like being with the another person and listening keenly and dropping all the conversation, judgment, evaluations and being listening also, how we will listen is like always we will try to fix into our logic actually. Whatever the information we have already, our listening will be a kind of interpretation only, not complete listening. When somebody is speaking about leadership, no, like whatever we know already, like what is leadership, everybody has some sense of that leadership, and you will try to interpret it. You will do interpretation of your own version. How many of you are getting that?
Yes, sir.
If you people are getting this, now this will be a gold mine actually in listening.
Always, is it something like we listen to respond and we don't listen to understand?
That is one aspect that we will cover in the last part.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
This is something like Raji, like you know a lot of things, no? When you are listening to a conversation,
yes, sir.
What we will do is like already we know something and we will try to fit into that only. We will not listen as a fresh conversation.
Okay, with open-mindedness?
I will not say like open-mindedness. Everybody listens in that way only. That is the design of the human being. It's nothing to do with you and me.
I get it, sir.
We will have listening a kind of interpretation only, not the exact one, what they communicated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I get it.
For example, no, like for example, like my mother is shouting at me, no, and she will be trying to communicate something. Okay, she will be like telling like always I am late or something like that. My interpretation will be like why she is nagging me always, why she is shouting at me always. She is always like this only. This is because of the past information I have about my mother.
Yes, sir.
But her communication is like I am being on time in all the places is our communication.
Yes, I get it.
You get that, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, I get that.
But we don't get that communication. We get like our interpretation about that person, what we know about that person or that aspect or that incident. We don't look at the commitment or the like commitment or concerns or other things like emotions of the person.
So we understand from our past experiences.
Interpretation. Yeah, understanding is somewhat appropriate, but interpretation actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We always do interpretation only. We don't listen actually. It's not about you and me. It is about everybody. If you are a human being, that is what like when you are seeing this, no, like I am always interpretation. I'm doing the interpretation only. I'm not listening. Then there is an access for you to listen to another person.
Yes, sir.
So now I have a doubt, sir. Like, You said like interpretation. What if like we are meeting a person for the first time, or we are getting communication with a person for the first time? At that point of time, we will not have any map regarding the person in our mind already. So in that case, that kind of communication cuts off completely, or what, sir?
You tell me, you are meeting a new person.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How will you interpret it? How will you do the interpretation when he speaks?
Based on his tone, sir, whether he is friendly or not.
Based on his tone. Okay. If he is friendly, you will go back to some other person, no? Like one who is friendly always.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If he is rude also, you will go to somebody else, like one who is rude only, no? He is like that, he is very rude.
Yes, sir. So you are telling I will relate it with a person who is already like that to me.
I'm asking you, will you do that or not?
Yes, sir, I will do that. He is like that person, like that. Yes, sir, I will
like
do
that person. Yes. Yeah, he is speaking like that. Actually, he is speaking like this. Because already we have a lot of information in our brain, no? Like we do interpretation only, always.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Whatever he says, no, if he says something like, this is not good, this is bad or something like that, he also said something like this only. He is also a mad.
Yes, sir. I'm getting it.
You understand, right?
Yes, sir, I'm getting it.
For example, like whatever that you created, no, for that person, that will actually replicate here also.
Is it so, sir? Because I have not done much research about what you're telling.
What I'm telling is, like, for example, if, for example, you are meeting a rude person, no? And he is very rude to you, okay? And already, like, you have a person in your life, he is very, very rude to you and you hate him. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you with me?
Yeah,
yes,
whatever
the emotion, thoughts, and thinking about the first person, like who is already rude, no? The same kind of set of emotion, thoughts only will be there with him also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because, like, your brain is trained to have that actually.
Yes, sir. You're right.
Okay, with me so far, anybody has any doubts, clarifications?
No doubts, sir.
No doubts. Okay. Okay, super. So, yeah, we covered like two aspects of listening. One is always like we listen from a judgment and evaluation. And second thing is we do interpretation of what we know. That is how we listen. And if we can like, if we can keep that aside, and when we start listening, no, we can get the gold out of that listening actually with another person. Anybody has any idea on how Gandhi entered into like India's freedom fight? அவர் எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாருன்னு ஐடியா இருக்கா? After coming from South Africa, what he did? Yes, no, maybe.
He was denied a first class seat in a train, sir, in Johannesburg.
Adu okayங்க. That is fine. Anirudh, what I am saying is like after coming from South Africa, in South Africa he already won that what he is taken on for against black, no? And then he is coming back to India, okay? And there are people inviting him to lead that freedom fight. All the Congress people, actually, like Nehru and Vallabhbhai Patel, everybody is inviting him to lead to be a part of that freedom fight. You know what he did after that?
No idea, sir.
Normally we will say, no, we will say with a lot of excitement, yeah, like I will do here also. Like that only we will be, no? Irpama illaya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, what he did is like he gone through all the states of India, all the villages, all the states, all the villages, cities, and everywhere. You know for what?
For what, sir?
No, maybe to listen the people in India, whether they really to listen people in India and to like look at like whether they really need freedom, they are striving for that, or it is some superficial conversation that some higher people are having, or some political governments or political peoples are having. You want to know that for that he visited all the villages and states in India, and he looked at like he met like farmers, everybody, and then only he came and said like I'll stand for this. Everybody with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts, clarifications, or difference of opinion, you can raise it immediately, no issues. I am not saying like whatever I say is 100% true. That is the way it is. No, I am always open to have criticism and get along with you and work on that. If you have anything like that, you can share. Now we are talking about like one part actually, which is a listening. Listening is 99% of communication. With me so far, any thoughts, any suggestions, anything you want to share?
We are going good, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. So 99% communication is listening, and another 1% is communicating to the point. What is required, or what is asked, or what is needed there. Anybody wants to have a mock on this communication? Like any aspect you can take it on, and you can just have a mock to have a discussion to address one's point. Anybody is interested? Come on, guys! Someone have some marks. We'll see on the code how communication looks like. No. Nobody wants to have mark.
So is it 1-to-1 or in group, right?
No, 1-to-1. Like you both can have like any two of the person can have some communication. Like you can say, you can take some topic and you can discuss for 2 minutes. One person will say like it's a kind of debate. You will get a sense of what is communication actually. Anybody wants to take on? Or we'll move to next.
So this is Suren.
Yes, Suren.
Sir, can we give some topics to them so that they'll discuss?
Okay. Ahimsa will win always is the topic. Like anybody can choose. Ahimsa will work everywhere. You want to take any modern topic also fine. Suren, I am not that much in modern topics. Can you tell something?
No, I'll suggest one. Whether what to say, we need to open colleges now. Working from home is fine.
Yeah.
Studying from home is fine. These guys will be interested on that.
Anybody wants to have a conversation? Any two of you? Like one person is speaking for work from home. One person is speaking for going to college.
whatever it is, study from home or from
Study from home or studying in college. Sorry.
Guys, you need to talk up. You need to go to the interviews. If you are going to be silent like this, then it will be tough. So I need two guys to initiate. Who else is coming?
Who else has the courage to put them on risk and speak?
Or else can we choose?
Okay. Okay, then we will move on to the next session. I hope like nobody is willing to like I'll not say willing, like
there's the fear to talk, seems.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll move on to the next part. Okay. Normally, how we'll speak, no, like whatever is asked or requested, like we will not address that to the point. We'll speak about something else. For example, we always speak like this. When you are doing the mock only, you can find that out actually. That's why I wanted you to have a mock. It's not wrong or right, okay? But normally we speak like that only. We inspired like what we inspire and we talk more about that rather than addressing the concern or commitment of another person. That is the ability to express their thoughts and views to the point of concerns and commitment of another person. That is also a kind of communication. Okay, we'll move on to the next part. Next part in communication is indirect communication. That is walk the talk. Anybody has any idea about walk the talk? Indirect communication has certain aspects. One is walk the talk and another one is how you present yourself. That communicates everything. Present yourself, walk the talk. Anybody wants to say about this? Like,
sir, does walk the talk means practice what you preach?
Walk the talk means?
Practice what we preach.
Amrita.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible, but you can speak a little bit louder.
Okay, sir. Walk the talk means, is it practicing what we preach?
Practicing?
What we preach?
Exactly. No, it's not about what we preach only. Whatever we say, okay? Whatever we say, one is practicing that, or another thing is like our actions are intended to that talk. For example, you have like so many leaders, no, political leaders or political leaders. I don't want to go into that, but you can take one or two. Like if they say something and if their actions are not intended to that, then what do you say about themselves?
They are not like true to their words.
Do you see them as a leader?
Not
really, sir.
Demonstrating of walk the talk is very, very, very important. Whether you are producing result or not, that is different.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you are in the journey till the end, like you are taking action consistently, intended to what you said or what you are saying is very, very important. If you say something and if you do something, no, that is a communication that you are communicating. Are you getting this? Like what is getting communicated in this?
Yes, sir.
You say something and your actions are not consistent with that, and then there is a communication. What is the communication?
So is it someone who manipulates people?
Manipulation is a one part. Not only manipulation. Manipulation also may be there, but it is not limited to manipulation. For example, some person will say like you should be always on time, and you will not be on time. That is not manipulation. No? You may be lazy also.
Yes, I get it.
You get that? That manipulation is one part, but not all.
Someone who's having double standards, then someone who doesn't have limits or so many good qualities with himself, but expects the other person to be perfect.
Yeah, maybe. The most important is walk the talk is like your action should be consistent with what you said. Rather than looking outside, I suggest you all like look inside within yourself. Where and all like you say something and your actions are not consistent with that. Can one of you share something like that? That will give us the real victory and freedom, and you can be like you can practice walk the talk. No, it will not come in a like single day. Practicing only like will make us mastery. Can any one of you would like to share?
Sir?
Yes, Amurtha?
Yes, sir. Practicing what I preach, what I don't follow right now is I don't plan things accordingly, sir.
But you say to others to plan, no?
Yes, sir. Actually.
Great. From now, what is possible for you?
I'll try to plan accordingly, sir. I'll work on it.
You can take actions accordingly, no?
Yes, sir.
Great. Super. You had a courage, Amurtha. Thank you so much. Thanks for generating that courage.
My pleasure.
Anybody else?
I always preach everyone to be optimistic all the time, or even my close associates. But sometimes in my personal life, I don't do that, or with my life, I don't do that.
What did they say about that, Raji?
Sorry, sir?
Sorry. In between I started. You complete, no?
Yes, sir. Being optimistic all the time is something I preach, but I can't do it in my own life sometimes. I try to, but I don't.
There's a small correction, Raji. Like whenever that you are speaking, no?
Yes, sir.
You can use rather than I can't. You can use I did not do that.
Yes, sir. Making a lot of sense, sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
Because like I can't means there is a ability. There is an inability to do that. But actually, it is not the inability.
Yes, sir. I will for sure do it in future. So I did not do it in my past.
Yes. I did not do then such that you will get access to do it in the future.
Sure, sir. Thanks, sir. Thanks for correcting me. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Great. Okay. Super. Fantastic. Anybody else? Thank you so much for sharing this, Raji.
My pleasure, sir.
Anybody else? Okay, we'll move on to the next part as presentation. Like how you present communicates about yourself to others. If people like anybody disagree on that, you can ask me. Because even like I had a lot of disagreements like initially on this conversation. How a person presentation like will like communicate, like how people can judge and evaluate based on the presentation. Don't look the cover of the like book or something like that, no? I also used to have those kind of conversation earlier. Anybody has something like that, you can share and you can discuss with me.
Sir?
Yeah, tell me, Amurtha. Thank you so much.
Presentation, do you mean by saying like how he presents himself or how?
Exactly. Perfect. That communicates is what I am saying.
It actually matters, sir.
It matters.
I stand by your point.
Anybody else? Anybody has a disagreement or?
Sir,
No?
I actually totally agree only, sir, with the point. Like when we are meeting a person for the first time, though we don't have to interact much with the person's body language or his physical presentation, we can get to know more things.
More thing
for
about.
that, Yes, sir. It's a kind of communication, sir. Like
it's a communication that communicates something. Yes. You know, like Gandhi does not wear shirt.
Yes, sir. Doesn't.
Yes,
What is he intended to communicate? Any one of you are aware of that? That's not good, no, actually.
Yes, sir.
It's to show his support for the poor people, sir.
Anirudh, like you are near to the point. Can you tell me exactly what is that? So
he's making a statement. It's like making a statement.
Making
a statement.
Writing a statement means?
Making a statement, sir. Making a statement.
Making a statement means what do you?
Like he's sympathizing with the poor and he's able to understand the poor people's plight in the country.
Okay. That is also one point, but not the complete one. Anybody knows like really why he does not?
Yes, sir. So I'm not sure if it's right or wrong. Like he saw a farmer wearing a dhoti, and at first he saw the farmer with a full suit, and then he thought of changing to dhoti by seeing the farmer. I'm not
dhoti by seeing the
sure it's farmer. Farmer,
so
sir.
Your voice is audible actually, but not clear. Meera, can you?
Sir, he changed to dhoti by seeing a farmer.
By seeing a farmer. Okay.
So he's sympathizing and empathizing with them. So like he had a thought that when like the farmer, by seeing the farmers, he had a thought of changing himself to the clothes that the farmer had. Like simplicity.
Yeah, simplicity is one part. If you go and ask, like somebody asked Gandhi also, no, like why you are not wearing, like you're not wearing shirts and you are wearing dhoti only and like this, like, and he said, like most of the people in my country does not have shirts to wear, and I am one among them. That is the communication that he communicated actually. All the people, farmers, like saw Gandhi as one among them. Can you see like how powerful is that communication is?
So, yes, sir. He's saying like I'm not a unique or separate person. I'm one among the people. Like leading the people by the people.
That is the communication. That is the communication that he wanted to communicate to people and around the world also. I am one among them. That is why people stand with him for whatever he said. It is weird, no? Like if you can examine, no? Like Gandhi has taken violence, no? And like fighting against the Britishers. Still now also, like I don't know, like how many how many people or how many countries, how many states are getting freedom by like fighting in against like violence, taking violence as a weapon and fighting against people. But he had that courage, and it was actually it would have not fit into anybody's logic that time also. But people followed him. They trusted him. Because he is one among them is what they saw actually. Anybody has anything to say or
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Thank you so much, Shenba.
Sir, without communicating, sir, won't the body language or the one which we are showing with our actions be interpreted wrongly at times?
I'm not getting your question. Like without communicating, like body language or?
Sir, without communicating with words, won't the actions that we do or body language be interpreted wrong at times by others?
It is not interrupted. It may be. It is not interrupted. It is interpreted.
Interpreted.
Yeah, sometimes that happens. Like we should be responsible for our appearance. No, that comes under the appearance itself.
So how to handle that, sir? Like if in, for example, in same Mahatma Gandhiji's case, he is not wearing the shirt. It would have not, the message would have not delivered correctly to many of the people, no, sir?
It is not required.
Okay.
When you see someone, like if farmer sees him, he is not wearing a shirt and he is wearing only dhoti, you know, that communicates, no, he is my person. What else you want to say?
Okay.
That itself is a communication. Consider, no, you are in Los Angeles, okay, and one of you, somebody in the park or somebody in the shopping is speaking in Tamil.
Okay, sir.
You're just seeing him, or somebody is wearing a sari. If that person want to say that I am also like an Indian or like immediately you will get a sense, no, hey, that person is my person or my country or something like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is what seems. That communicates very clear.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anybody else? Thank you so much, Shenbad, for asking this question.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody has any doubts, clarifications, or else we will move on to the next part?
Sure, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. And I'm moving to the next part, like leaving one part of communication is a brain-based communication. If time permits, I'll do on the next session or we'll take it forward. Okay. Another thing is being responsible. Normally, how do you see, like when you hear responsible, what comes into your mind? What do you think about responsible? Whatever comes, things say, no, like for me, it is a burden actually. Like responsibility is a kind of burden.
A leader should take the responsibility of both the success and failure, sir. Usually, people will take success to their credit, and if it's going to be a failure, they'll blame their subordinates. But a good leader should never do that. He should be responsible.
You mean to say leadership is a blame or proud or accomplished, something like that, no? Both as responsible.
Yes, sir. He should be responsible for both the success and failure of that particular project or something he takes up.
Okay. Super. Anything else?
Sir, to fulfill someone's expectations.
Okay. To fulfill someone's expectations. Now, உங்களுக்கு எப்படி leadership அக்கறாவுதுன்னு கேக்குறேன். Leadership, sorry, responsible. You are responsible, how it will occur to you? Like.
Yeah, sir. According to me, itself I am saying, sir. In my perspective, to fulfill someone's expectations.
இல்ல leadership sorry, responsible அப்படினா உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? நீங்க தான் responsible அப்படினா on the code how it will occur to you? Share authentically. No, for me it will be a burden only.
A heavy load, sir. ஒரு load நம்ம மேல ஒரு heavy load மாதிரி இருக்கும், sir.
ஒரு work
நிறைய process இருக்கும், அந்த process patience இருக்கணும். Heavy load of work வந்து திடீர்னு ஒருத்தர் மேல திணிச்ச மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல் இருக்கும், sir.
You mean to say burden?
Yes, sir. Patience and burden. Need a lot of patience. பொறுமை அப்புறம் அதிக வேலையும் இருக்கும்.
Super. Anybody else?
So it is another duty on our part, sir. It is another duty on our part to fulfill.
It is a duty.
Besides the others.
It's my duty, no? Okay. Then?
Sir, I see it as a motivation factor, sir.
It's a motivation
factor. Upgrade myself. Yes.
You have to go and tell your parents and teachers. You help me to account for whatever I am responsible, I will be motivated, okay?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Then, who is next? Okay.
I feel like you have to, sorry, sir. Can I say last point, sir? Like, I feel like I have to be more calculative of the actions to be occurred.
Calculative. Super, fantastic.
Need to be accountable for what we say, sir.
We need to be accountable for what we said. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I want you to like keep everything aside and listen to this conversation. Okay. Being responsible is a kind of way of being, that how you live your life. It has nothing to do with what you have done or what you have not done. It is a grace that you give to yourself. It is a pride or a grace that you give to yourself. You can be responsible for everything, anything and everything. Responsibility is a way of being. Okay. For example, if I want to give you an example of responsibility, can any one of you give some examples of responsibility from Gandhiji's life, like where he has taken responsibility? It is not about results actually. Okay, let me share something, no? You know, all right, like there is a COVID situation is very worst, and a lot of people, like before like 6 months or 1 year, a lot of people are affected by COVID, and there's a huge impact on people's life and like government and everywhere. Can someone share who has taken the responsibility for that? Obviously, it is
Frontline workers, sir. Frontline workers, sir.
Frontline workers. Do you think they would have taken that as a burden or blame or something like that? How they would have taken that?
Not at all, sir. They would have taken it.
That as from the grace, no?
Yes, sir.
They'll be proud to take. They'll be grace. And it is the demonstration of their living their life only, no? It's nothing to do with the result, no?
Definitely, sir.
Can you give me some other example? Some of you. A lot of people have taken a lot of responsibilities. If you see in our life.
Police personnel? Police.
Police.
Okay.
Great.
Yes.
So everybody is in their home. There are certain people on the road and they're serving, like including police, the servants, like corporation people, a lot of people. They take responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Yeah, our politician kuda ungalku nyabadhukku vara matara. Our politician, chief minister has taken the responsibility. This is not a political conversation, okay? I'm just seeing a person who has taken the responsibility, okay? Whoever it is, somebody has taken the responsibility and altered the condition of Chennai or Tamil Nadu. The way it is before 6 months is not the same right now. Somebody has taken the responsibility for that. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
I wanted to share only one thing about the responsibility. This has happened in Gandhiji's life. Okay. After India's freedom, there was a Pakistan and India, and dividing those things are happening. And there is a huge fight between Hindu and Muslim. There are people, thousands and thousands of people are like dying, and they are fighting in a war. Okay, nobody cannot stop that. Okay, political leader in the pakam, Hindu leader Nehru, avanga and the pakam Pakistani leaders, nobody cannot do anything. Okay, and then finally, what Gandhi did, no, like he said, like, I take responsibility for all these things that is happening. I am taking responsibilities for all the death that is happening right now in the world, and in this condition in India. And then he sat and he did not had, he was on fasting. He started his fasting, and then within few days, all of them have stopped. Responsibility does not have any boundaries. Why I am sharing all these things? No, like you have to take responsibility for anything and everything in your life. Normally, how we will live our life, no? If I get a good mark, then I performed, okay? If I don't get good marks, then I say, question paper tough sir. I got tough. We don't take responsibility for what we prepared and what we did not prepare. That is how we live our life.
That's true, sir. Yes.
Thank you so much. Now it's 7 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Any questions and answers? There are few slides has to be like completed. Okay, we will see like we can do it on the next session or how we can take it forward. There are 1 or 2 only is there. Like anybody has any questions or any feedbacks? You can open to share anything. Like you can criticize me also. I have no issues. I welcome all your communication openly.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Can you name 3 leaders inspired you personally in your life?
Gandhi, Hitler,
okay.
And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. All 3 will be different actually.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Suren. Anybody has any questions? You நல்ல பசங்க யாரும் क्वेश्चन கேட்கலாம் எப்படி இதுதான் குட் டைம்
Sir. Sir, may I know why Hitler or how Hitler has inspired you, sir?
Yeah, that's a good question. No, like I don't know more about Hitler, but I know few aspects of Hitler's life. Okay, he was a normal middle class family, and he was in the army of Germany. And in his 40 years, when he was 40 years, he was at the road actually. He does not have a house, and he was at the road, and he saw Germany people are suffering. Okay, he wants to create abundance of wealth and that Germany people to get freedom, and that whatever that they wanted to get, he was standing for that, and then he decided that I will be the leader one who caused that, and he caused that. But inside that, he has taken a lot of actions which is not required or not appropriate. Everything is done. But where he is coming from is to create wealth and freedom for people in Germany. And he was at the 40 years of old. 40 years, he was in the road actually. He has nothing. That is the only thing I know about Hitler. And that inspires me actually.
Okay.
Sir, there is a question popped up from Ms. Tulasi Priya.
Tulasi Priya, good evening, sir. How leaders take up criticism? Everybody has their own style or way of taking things. How I take criticism is like I always listen to another person's point of view or concern, and I look at from their life. So, like my life and their life are not same. Like for example, each one of us life and world are something different. So expecting that whatever I say that you will agree or you will disagree, I'm not sure like how that can match. So I will take it up like from their world actually. Yeah, it is right. Consider, each and every one of us has a different experience. Everybody is unique, and everybody's life is so different. It cannot be like as the same. So criticism, definitely we can take it forward as a positive note, and then we can look at like what is required for the people, and then serving them. Anybody else? Share பண்ணுங்கப்பா.
Sir, it was really a good session, sir. Thank you.
No. Sharing is not something like a good one. Like I saw that movie which was good. What we have to share is what is that you are taking on and you are going to demonstrate in your life.
Yes, sir, exactly.
That is the value that if we share something like that, then it will be good, no?
Someone else is asking for a feedback link.
Yes, so the feedback link will be posted soon. Sir, if you are okay, can we go with
I'm done.
Vote of thanks?
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you, for like listening, no, it takes something for you to like provide your listening and be in this conversation. And some of you answered and some of you did not answer. Some of you asked questions, some of you did not ask questions. I really want to acknowledge you, all of you, for participating the way that you are. I really want to acknowledge you. Thank you so much for providing your listening for this 1.5 hours. Thank you. It's my privilege to be with you all. I'm complete.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
1 second. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
I just want to end it with a note. Around 63 people were there for the last 1.5 years listening to Mr. Ajay's session. The thing is, everyone knows about data. India is growing on a much faster pace. India is getting more unicorns. Can someone say how many unicorns, or can you define someone on the term unicorn? Anyone has any idea on that?
Are you talking about unicorn startups, sir?
Exactly. Startups which can raise money and then creating huge opportunities. So in 2021, India has around 20 unicorns so far till this August. So there are huge opportunities, and as a freshers, you should have the communication skill to get into the job. Almost in the 63 perla 6 or 7 members are interactive. Others, I hope they are listening to the session. But be bold to talk, whatever you feel, because many interviews for candidates stuff we know. So talk more with your friends, learn more data, so that you can get placed in a good organization. Thank you.
Sure, sir. We take it up. Sure, sir. Thank you. Now I request Ms. Keertana, second year MHRM, to render the vote of thanks.
Yes, good evening, everyone. It was a wonderful session. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. I, Keertana of 2nd MA HRM, take this wonderful opportunity to thank our esteemed speaker, Mr. Ajay Balaji Tulaknikam, Leadership Development Consultant, TRIP HR Consulting Services, for sharing his valuable insights and knowledge on the topic Leadership Conversation. I would like to share a few key takeaways from today's session. Leadership is an essential quality, and everybody has it at a certain aspect. A great leader is the one who inspires confidence in people and moves them to action. Listening is a critical part to be focused on in leadership communication. Some traits of leadership are visionary, effective communication, being responsible, persistent, and action-oriented. We, the future HR, would really work on the understanding provided by a lively speaker. Sharing is caring is an age-old proverb. True to this thought, I would like to thank the pillar of our PG Department of Human Resource Management, HOD Dr. N.C. Martin, for arranging this webinar, and Professor Sneha for her support to organize this webinar, providing us with an enlightening tool to the pragmatic arena of HR. Finally, I extend my gratitude to participants from various professions and students. Kindly fill up the feedback form which is provided in the chat below with your name and email ID. Stay safe, stay vaccinated. Thank you all. Have a great evening.
Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. It was
Thank
really
you,
a
sir.
great session for
Thank
us.
you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Suren, sir,
Thank you.
for your presence. Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much,
much,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for this
Slowly I will-
opportunity, Martin, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our students will take it and demonstrate, sir. Don't worry.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for your commitment.
Okay, sir. Thank you.